Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very special video. It is our YouTubers couponing YouTubers Secret Santa, and this is the third year that we've done it. Basically, it's 5 of us, and what we do is we just draw names and we do a Secret Santa exchange. And again, this year it is going to be me, of course, because you're watching the video. But then there's Bree the Coupon Queen, Coupons with Alicia, Couponing with Kayla, and Saving with Christina. Of course, I will have everyone's channels linked down below in the description box so you can see what everyone got. I'll tell you who got me, but I won't tell you who I got until you see their video. So Christina is my Secret Santa, so we're gonna get opening this. And before I get into it, I do want to say what we do is we all talk together almost every single day on Instagram. And so what we do is we fill out a little list basically of what we like, what we don't like, you know, because like we'll get candy for each other, but like what if I really don't like nuts, or I'm allergic to nuts, or you know what I mean, or if there's a smell that I certainly can't handle, that type of thing. Here we go. Finally got it open. So I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh. Now, Christina wasn't with us the first year when we did this, but she was with us the second year we did this. And I'm gonna move my little table over. She made the person wear a funny head thing. So if she does that to me, it's totally fine. So we've got a few wrapped gifts. So we'll start with that. I love unwrapping, and of course it's coffee. If you don't know, Christina absolutely loves coffee. It's Elf. Oh, it's World's, okay. It's a little notepad thingy, and it says, congratulations, or you did it, congratulations. And it says World's Best Cup of Coffee, but it's Elf. I love anything Elf. So we'll just throw that on the floor. We won't throw this on the floor. We'll throw the paper on the floor. Because look at, this is the inside of it. She's got this completely filled. And my cat's at the door wanting to go out, so I might let him out in a second. This one feels soft. Oh, and there was another thing. Another thing that we said on the list is what's something that you cannot get enough of. And for me, I said fuzzy socks, blankets, candles, makeup, and it looks like a pair of fuzzy socks. 2 pair. Oh, 2 pair. How fun. And there's like little grippies on the bottom. I love them. Love them. Ooh, so next we have this here. This is one of our favorites. Hope it's a new one for you and your family. Oh, did she write notes on the other things? Ooh, it's a game. That was another thing I said. I love games. And I've never played this before, so that makes me happy. It's called Racco. I love games. We have all kinds of games. We have, right over here behind me, we have like a coat closet that we put some coats in it, but the top part of it is like our games that we play the most. So this is so fun. So there's another little note on here. There is another note. I never bought anything like this before, but it totally made me think of you. I just love Christina. She is just such a sweet person, and we are just a few days apart in age, so we get a lot of the same, same things because of being teenagers in the 90s and all that jazz. So, ooh, it's makeup. It's so pretty. Oh, and it's vintage rose. Let's see what they look like. Pretty is that? Oh my gosh, that is so, I don't want to get my fingers all makeup-y. Otherwise I would totally just dip in and start swirling them and taking swatches. That is so pretty, Christina, and those are my colors. I love those type of colors. Oh, dark chocolate. Thank you. I've always wanted to try it. I think it's just human. I've always wanted to try this kind. I love dark chocolate. My goodness, Christina. Here's another one. Just making sure I don't miss any notes. I wanted to be in front of my fireplace this year just because you can't really see it, but it's really hot. Maybe I should just turn it off and you still get the gist of it. Ooh, more makeup. Oh my gosh. Are you serious, Christina? Oh, this is so pretty. I think I know this one. This one is Truth or Bear. So it's probably like nude colors, which are, oh my gosh, this is a big one. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my gosh. You can see my camera in the mess. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you. Oh, let me put the, what is this? It looks like a candle. Oh, and it's pumpkin. Ooh, Opal House. That is a Target brand. I know she's a Target shopper. There is the candle, if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but there is the candle. Oh my gosh, that smells really, really good. And it looks like it might be a wood wick. It looks like it has the wick feels wood. And if you don't know what wood wick candles are, oh my God, they are, Christina, they're wicks that are wood, basically, and they crackle. So she did, and I'll be a sport for the rest of the video. And you won't have a glare anymore for my eyes. I love it. And it kind of matches everything. So she got me Hershey Kisses, my absolute favorite Hershey Kisses. Alicia got me the first year, she got me Hershey Kisses too. And it's so funny because I went through and rewatched everyone's videos, their Secret Santa videos, and I called her Alicia or something like that. So silly. Ooh, a card! I love cards. And there's the card. And oh, I've had so much fun shopping for you and looking for things I think you'd like. I hope I did okay. I had the discovery box shipped to you, so I'm hoping it made it in time. It did. It come like the very next day after this. I want you to know how grateful I am for your friendship. You and the girls. You have been so supportive. I'm such a crybaby. You have been so supportive and encouraging and kind, and I think you know how much I cherish our little group. I am so glad I know you. Stay warm, my friend. Love, Christina. That's a very sweet card. And I am, the older I get, the more emotional I get at just sweet things, you know, that people say or do. So I will keep this forever. All right, next thing. Ooh, what is this? This looks fun. Ooh, it's in a pretty little box. And I'm a sucker for packaging, like anything. Oh, what is this? Is it a candle? It is a candle. It's, gotcha. Like, is the outer part of the candle cardboard? But it's just a very pretty, classic candle. Oh my gosh, and I love the packaging. I don't know if she put that in there like that, but I mean, it looks like it goes all together beautifully. And then what I do is I reuse them for gifts, but I only reuse them for gifts that are here so that I can keep the packaging. So I found something else in the box. It is a little Christmas tree hat. See how we do this here. There. Now I'll wear it with pride, but I'm sure this will snap. Then we have one more to unwrap, and then we got the little balanced box. Sorry it's wrapped so ugly. Shush, it's not. I saw this and I had to have it for you. So let's see how this goes. And it's not wrapped ugly. I love wrapping. Oh no, what is this? Oh my gosh, how fun is this? It's the Golden Girls. Oh, they bring me such joy. Oh, there's something in it. There's more candy in it. Little pouch. And what is this? Ooh, it's something. Oh, it's makeup spray. Oh, how fun, Christina. You put it in a little pouch. Oh my gosh. And there is the makeup spray. The lighting is bad, but I don't have good lighting at all. Maybe I should get some. There is my Alexa telling me I have a notification. Sorry the lighting's bad, I just don't have good lighting. And then we have some Reese's Thins. I actually love these more than the regular Reese's. So there's everything that she got me, and then we're gonna look at the balance box. I'm not aware of what the balance box is. So I got an email saying that I was going to get this, so I saw kind of some of the stuff that comes in it, and I thought, wow, Christina, what are you doing, girl? So I am going to open this up really quick. Here it is, and then you open it up like this, and then there's, whoa, what have we got in here? Oh, are these snacks? How fun. So what do we got here? We got a Keto Hungry Squirrel Berry Sauce. Fun. Then we have a hydration shot. I love these types of things with hydration. Very much. Love it. We've got an energy shot here. I hope you can see it. There we go. Love it. There's some stuff in here. Like, this thing is heavy. Oh, it's a hydrate powder. Because I think I put on my list like liquid IV. I think I did. I love that stuff. So this is a big hydrating powder. No, it isn't. It's not. It's bath salt. Oh my God, I have to, because it says hydrate on it. But real tiny letters up high here, and I'm not wearing my glasses, it says fizzy bath salt, bath soak, hydrate. Sweet orange and rosemary. I just thought it was hydrating water powder because I love liquid IV. But that is so neat. I love. Then there is a box of this instant bone. It's by Bone Broth, but it is instant chicken broth. So that is neat. And then something I'm most excited. Oh, there's one more thing in here too. This is what I'm smelling. Oh. Tea tree oil. I love this stuff. And there's one more thing in here, and this is Ugly's Kettle Chips Sweet Potato Chips. Those look so good. Thank you, Christina, for the box. I really love everything in here. And there's some little like papers and things like that about the balance box. And like some, it looks like maybe some codes and things like that. So that's really cool. So that is everything that I have for my Secret Santa gift. I hope you enjoyed the video and seeing me giggle. I want to thank Christina for being a part of the group, and of course these beautiful gifts, and thank you for putting those little personal touches and just being the silly person that you are in your humor. So thank you so much. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ugh. And I'll tell you who my person is, but I won't tell you. I will tell you who nope, let's try it again. Hit record. should be good.